Tonight's Gemini new moon brings healing and rebuilding. Have you been feeling stressed out lately? Well, it is expected as times have not been kind to us. As the global pandemic continues to rage on, the summer heat too is getting to us. We haven't been able to hang out with our friends. And if you stay away from home, chances are, you are starting to miss all your loved ones. Worry not, for things will change as the Gemini new moon indicates a time for transformation. The Gemini new moon encourages and supports intellectual activities. It is the perfect time to start working on whatever work you have procrastinated till now. Since the global pandemic, the world seems to be standing still. It has become extremely difficult to motivate ourselves and finish even our basic daily tasks. But, under the Gemini new moon, you need to break the loop and come out of the stagnant days. Try to find new and creative ways to deal with the current situation. You can take up online courses or just start working on personal projects. Remember to keep yourself busy, because whatever work you focus on now has really high chances of succeeding. You will decide your path of transformation this Gemini new moon. This Gemini new moon is the most adaptable of all. Its energy will help us to start, continue, and actually finish whatever project we take up. You can work on your personality and give yourself a new boost. Asteroid Juno is in perfect trine with the Gemini new moon. Since Juno oversees love and marital affairs, it is the perfect time to get close to your partner. Even though the COVID-19 pandemic has put a hold on many weddings, know that communicating with your partner now will only make your relationship stronger. It is not necessary to make any important future decisions, you two can just relax and talk about your desires and dreams. Avoid hasty decisions, take time to make up your mind. Keep things simple and avoid impulsive decisions because Mars is also active along with the Gemini new moon. Mars energy might influence your emotions to heighten. Remember to keep a check on what you say. You can decide what kind of change you want in your life since this is the time for change and transformation. Communication will be the key focus during this lunar cycle. While it is important to watch what you say, do not be afraid of putting out your opinion. It is all about honest communication. One issue that will be highlighted is the disparity of payment among frontline employees. The global pandemic has only reminded us of how important and essential these frontline workers are. It is likely that they will demand higher salaries, and the issue will be much debated upon. You might face confusion in making any financial decisions. Mercury and Venus, both influence finance, will form a square with the whimsical Neptune. Your sense of rationality might get clouded under the influence of Neptune. So, make sure that you understand the full implications of your actions before making any investments. The Gemini new moon will form a positive trine with Saturn retrograde in Aquarius, which will bring longevity to any moves we decide to make. Remember that what you sow now, you will reap for the rest of the year. So, take time in deciding what kind of transformation you want. Don't be hasty. Meditate on what path you want your soul to take. Make up your mind on what seeds you want to sow under this Gemini new moon. Take it slow, and you will win the race. Tilde operator, if you like our article, give Conscious Reminder a thumbs up, and help us spread love light.